Okay, I'm putting it back again. Righty. Okay. You aren't tired, right? You fine? Just few minutes. Now I'm putting everything back in. So So did anybody take the quiz, IT Essentials? Because Mahmood sent the answer already. All of them are correct. Yeah. No. I know that. Okay, all done. Stop.